Over 10 years ago, a vision took root, not just for a building, but for something far greater, a place where community could come for healing, support, and compassionate care at every stage of life. From the first shovel in the ground to the programs that serve our community today, every step has been guided by a singular purpose. This is the story of 27 Governor Street and of the people who made it extraordinary. Our journey began in 2015, when the first shovels finally met the earth, turning a vision for our community into a structural reality. By March 2016, that vision came to life as we officially opened our doors to the public. Later that year, we expanded our clinical reach with outpatient rehab by RVNA, bringing advanced physical, occupational, and speech therapies into our continuum of care. We also unveiled our state-of-the-art teaching kitchen and a food pantry, creating a hub for nutrition and community health. In 2017, we began hospice care by RVNA, ensuring compassionate end-of-life care. Due to the demonstrated demand for outpatient therapies, in 2018, we expanded our outpatient rehab to the lower level of the building and opened the RVNAhealth Rehabilitation and Wellness Center. In October 2019, we reached a major milestone, officially transitioning our name to RVNAhealth to better reflect the full continuum of care we provide. When the pandemic arrived in February 2020, RVNAhealth mobilized immediately to keep our community safe. We stepped up as the primary COVID-19 vaccine provider for Ridgefield, delivering more than 10,000 vaccines directly to our neighbors, a defining moment of service when our community needed us most. Despite these extraordinary challenges, we continued to grow by completing a tri-agency merger with the Bethel VNA and New Milford Visiting Nurse and Hospice, and establishing a permanent residence at 68 Park Lane Road in New Milford. We adopted the Nurse Family Partnership, which was part of New Milford Visiting Nurse and Hospice's community outreach. By June 2021, we enhanced the RVNAhealth hospice experience with music therapy and the arrival of Sophia, our hospice therapy dog. We also introduced private duty nursing for those requiring additional one-on-one medical attention. That October, we unveiled Pat's Path, a beautiful 100-foot therapeutic hand-painted mobility track within the Rehabilitation and Wellness Center, a gift from Robert H. Martinson in honor of his wife, RVNAhealth patient Patricia. Program innovation continued with the launch of our Wellness Academy in 2022, providing the community with an education and resources for wellness and preventive care. In April 2023, RVNAhealth reached a clinical milestone with the official launch of the Parkinson Center, enhancing the agency's commitment to specialized chronic disease management and community wellness. Later that year, RVNAhealth formally established our Learning Lab and Resource Center for advanced skills training, clinical excellence, and high-quality patient care. In 2024, we furthered our commitment to healthcare workforce development by establishing the RVNAhealth Certified Nursing Assistant Program. That summer, we graduated our first class of 14 certified nursing assistants, all of whom became employees of RVNAhealth. In the fall of 2024, our Rehabilitation and Wellness Center became a member of the Hospital for Special Surgery, HSS, Rehabilitation National Network, which demonstrates our commitment to the best care possible. This was followed by the purchase of our wheelchair-accessible van to help provide safe and reliable transportation to people in need. In 2025, we introduced our Geriatric Care Management Program, designed to help families navigate health, safety, and daily living needs, creating a personalized care plan to help advocate for our clients. Building on our commitment to specialized chronic disease management, in 2025, we also established our Dementia Resource Program, certifying our staff as dementia practitioners and integrating home health care for dementia patients with support for their caregivers, community outreach, and the launch of our community memory cafes. What began as a vision over a decade ago has grown into something none of us could have fully imagined. A living, breathing center of care that has touched thousands of lives across our region. From home health to hospice, rehabilitation to private caregiving, travel vaccines to nutrition services. Each chapter of this story reflects the dedication of our staff, the trust of our patients, and the strength of our community. As we celebrate 10 remarkable years at 27 Governor Street, we do so with deep gratitude and with our eyes set firmly on the decade ahead.